We are on day 4 of this small $250 account that we have set up in Tradervue, trading futures contracts. Since this is a small account, we are trading one micro nasdaq at a time. It's 10 a.m. after getting chopped up in the early morning session yesterday, along with FOMC yesterday, along with the markets absolutely ripping. Yesterday when we were trading around 12,100. Now we're up 600 points off of that. So markets responding well to the Feds. Anyways, after having a day like that, I like to wait until at least 10 a.m. the next day. That gives us 30 minutes for the markets to kind of slow down before we start jumping into any trades. I'm just now looking at the charts for the first time this morning because I know myself, and if I got on at 9:30, it's very difficult for me to sit and wait 30 minutes without taking a trade. So to prevent that, I just don't even get on Tradervue and wait until the time that I set for myself before I even log in. So that leaves us ready for the day and ready to start looking for some trades. Like a short around close to that 700. We just had a huge move up, so just expecting pullback, maybe back down to 80. 700 is also point of control on the 5-minute chart, so just expecting a little bit of rejection there. We could continue moving through it, but I do expect just some type of pullback. We're just going to take the $15. What is that? I guess we could have held on to that. But 9 points is a good scalp. I used to just aim for between 5 and 7 points a scalp, but then I found that I was willing to hold on to losing trades closer to 10 to 15 points, so that wasn't ever going to make me profitable. So I like to get, preferably close to 10, if not obviously more. But when the markets are moving so quick like this, I just want to get in and get out. I don't want to risk going 10 points in profit and then it just ripping in the wrong direction for 30 points, which can happen. Right before we got into this trade, we went from around 50 up to 9. We ripped up 40 points within 10:06 from 10:05 to 10:06, so within a minute, 40 points. So we really just want to get in and get out quick. If it looks like it's not working out, we need to just cut it and take that loss and move on. It's kind of feeling like it wants to rip up. ES just broke through its VWAP, possibly rotating up to its point of control. NASDAQ, we are right at our point of control. And as soon as I say that, we drop 20 points. We are just ranging. So we're just going to be patient and wait for it to break out in one direction or another and possibly get into a trade then. We can break above 700. Yeah, we did. I think I got in a little too late there. I'm thinking if we get above 700, we get up to 720. I wanted to put a buy stop in right above 700, but I could tell I was going to be a little too late and just market it in, which we got filled at 709. See if we can get a rotation up to 720. ES is pushing past its point of control, trying to break through this resistance right here. 667 or 67, sorry. Trying to break through to 720. Might go up to 727, 728. It's kind of the top of these candles on the 5-minute. Just take that. It's $24, 709 to 721. Feel pretty good about it. I really wanted to get in around 703, but it's all right. We caught the move just a little bit late, and there's up to the 730-ish, which what I was talking about. What a shame. So now that we had a huge move, broke out of the range that we were in for this consolidation area, we're just gonna wait and kind of see what the market does. Does it want to start ranging again before we look to get into another trade? About to be at the top of this channel. I don't want to buy up here expecting it to break through. We need to wait for it to break through. Wants to break through the 1.5 standard deviation, but every time we get close, we get pushed back down. It's happened 3-ish times now, so I don't know if I want to take a short there, because if we do break through, could rip up and make new highs. Barely pushing through. We get into the mid 40s, get a push up into the 50s. It's trying. We're in one at 45. We had a pullback right before that push. I think that that's a good sign that we get a little push after. Go ahead and put a stop down here at 30 though. It's a little more than we want to risk, but okay. Well, we got into the 50s. Kind of scared me how fast it pulled back. I guess we could have held on to that up into the 60. What did not see that coming. But that moved so quick, and then this pullback freaked me out. I thought it was just going to be one of those typical fast retracements where it just blows right down below our entry into our stop. So I wanted to go ahead and just lock it in, but we said mid 40s into the 50s, and that's exactly what we got, 45 to 52. So can't be too disappointed in it for playing out exactly how we were expecting. This is a massive push. We got to work on holding on to trades. It had a 30 point, almost a 40 point trade right there. Oh my gosh, just ripping. Trades like this make me want to hold on longer. However, there are days where you hold on longer and you go into the green and you wait for a move like this, but then you end up red, and that is possibly more frustrating than missing out on money, is seeing that you could have made money if you just exited, but then going and reversing that and giving back money on that trade. So yes, we could have made crap load more on this trade, but we also could have risked more, and that's what we are trying to mitigate, is risk. So I'm trying to be happy with what we got. Also recognizing that we're up 3 trades, we're up $50 on the micros. We had a good trade, however, we did just miss out on 50-60 points. I think I'm just going to call it there because I don't want to start chasing this movement. And historically, I know that that's something that I do. Trading is, I feel like it's like 20% understanding charts and, you know, price action and technical analysis. I say 20%, so 20%, but then it's 80% understanding yourself and how you react to trading, how you react to the price action, how you react to losing trades, how you react to winning trades. And I've been doing this now for a few years, and I know that after a move like this and missing out on that, now I'm going to expect that in my next trade today. So I just need to call it there. $50 on the micros is very good. That's 500 on the minis. So we'll just end it there. Good luck trading out there.